The situation in Wayanad, well, the Prime Minister also visited the epicenter of the landslides that have killed almost 400 people, in fact over 400 people. The Prime Minister met families of the victims and also the injured, and all the people who were displaced in what has been Kerala's worst ever natural disaster. These are visuals of the Prime Minister visiting that key relief camp and hospitals as well. The Prime Minister meeting with families of the victims as well. This after, of course, the Prime Minister conducted an aerial survey of Wayanad and the landslide hit areas. The Prime Minister has assured all help from the centre. The Prime Minister also chaired a key review meeting with the Chief Minister of Kerala. In fact, there you can see the visuals of Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Governor Arif Mohammed Khan accompanying the Prime Minister in that crucial meeting. The Prime Minister importantly has said that Wayanad was not a natural disaster. Take a look.
लेकिन मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरा आने का कारण यहाँ के रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन और रिलीफ एक्टिविटी में कोई रुकावटें हो, लेकिन आज मैंने पूरी विस्तार से सारी चीजों को देखा है और जब फर्स्ट हैंड इंफॉर्मेशन होती है तो निर्णय करने की भी सुविधा रहती है। और मैं आपको फिर से एक बार विश्वास दिलाता हूं, मुख्यमंत्री की जैसी अपेक्षाएं हैं वो सारी अपेक्षाओं को पूरा करने में भारत सरकार पूरा प्रयास करेगी।
And my colleague Pratibha Raman is now joining us live. So Pratibha, among the other things that the Prime Minister said, he has assured help from centre as well, saying that we stand with the Kerala government. But importantly, he has said that the landslides were not a normal disaster. This, of course, as there's a demand for, it being termed as a national disaster as well. And also, after a series of reports that point to the fact that key warnings were ignored. So the Prime Minister saying that this was not a normal disaster clearly means that it could have been avoided or at least curtailed.
In fact, this has definitely been a bone of contention between the state as well as the centre. Also in terms of raging debates whether this is a man-made disaster or a natural phenomenon. And that is precisely why Prime Minister Modi's visit there at Wayanad assumes a lot of significance there. First-hand information that he has had with respect to taking stock of the situation by speaking with the rescue personnel as well as by visiting those survivors there would help both Prime Minister Modi as well as the centre in terms of taking some concrete steps as well as decisions in terms of this landslide, because we are talking about his visit that comes at a time when the state government as well as several of the opposition leaders who have been demanding that this be declared a national disaster. Now, Prime Minister Modi has also assured that every assistance would be provided by the centre. Remember, the central teams as well as the state teams have been working in sync as far as the rescue operation is concerned. And Prime Minister Modi is also assured that there would be absolutely no hurdles and there would be a seamless continuance of the rescue and relief efforts there as far as the landslides are concerned. But will this kind of hurt the sentiments of the state government that has definitely been looking at Prime Minister Modi assuring that this be declared a national disaster is something that needs to be closely watched at this point in time. But overall, yes, Prime Minister Modi has assured assistance in terms of the efforts that will be provided by the centre and the operation that will happen in sync between the teams of both central government as well as the state government. This visit has also been appreciated by Mr. Rahul Gandhi there, and this also comes at a time when there are two kinds of politics that are raging, one between the centre and the state, the other between the Congress as well as the BJP. We'll have to wait to see what kind of solutions would be provided as well as taken by Prime Minister Modi by taking all these first-hand accounts from both the survivors as well as the rescue personnel there. Remember, Wayanad is a region that is susceptible to such landslides, is something that has already been discussed. How can this be averted is also something that needs to be closely watched.